6,000. Fuck, I better open it.
Dinner, let's go on.
No container to eat from. I'm like, why would you have a spoon for the like a whole bunch of videos all put together. I can't remember what it was. It's really fucking hot.
Got some Costco sausages, smoked like. Is that cast iron or?
It is cast iron.
Alright. So this might make cast iron Wednesday.
911, I found an onion in my hammock.
So we got some Costco sausages, smoked like. Is that cast iron or?
It is cast iron.
Alright. So this might make cast iron Wednesday. It smells good over there.
Yeah, it does. Alright, so I think this is going to be the finished product. This may not be the best spoon, but you know, it is my first. So, the tools I used to make this, I had a piece of cedar branch that I just harvested in the woods one day, and I used the Corona folding saw to, you know, trim off the ends, which worked really well. Then I did the batoning with the Mora Black and some of the carving. Good knife. Then I did a lot of it was just the Mora, which I used mustard to put a patina on it. Then I got the Mora crook knife, which I did for the divot. Took me about 2 days just because, you know, we were talking and I'd stop to go do this or I'd stop to go do that. I had this little Velcro pouch that I actually had some silverware in. I just keep the crook knife in here so it doesn't cut things in my pack. And then I had a I found this at work in the lost and found, so I grabbed it. No, it wasn't the lost and found. I was just sitting in a conference room. So I just keep my crook knife in here just to keep it separated. Or keep it, you know. The sandpaper I was using, I got at Lowe's. So it's a P120. Just for smoothing out the rough edges. And I just threw it in a little zip top bag. I think it was like one of those dollar store Ziploc bags. It really doesn't weigh much, so I just throw it in there with it. And that was it for tools, so I'll probably make another one. It was kind of a fun little project to work on while we're sitting around talking. I was just sitting there while we're, you know, joking around and just working on it. I gotta get some oil on it. So, alright. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you next one.